season soup is especially good to serve to anyone during the cold or flu season who wants to maintain good health, and also for anyone who is concerned about the effects of aging, gray hair, hair loss, or poor memory. Ingredients for flu season soup are 1 medium onion, 1 cup of chicken bone broth, 2 to 3 stalks of celery, 1 cup of pearled barley, a handful of arugula, 1 cup of green peas, 1 cup of kidney beans, minced garlic, 2 cloves, a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of thyme, a dash of salt, and pepper. For those familiar with traditional Chinese medicine, because this soup has many wholesome and diverse ingredients, it helps restore balance to the body, strengthening Wei Qi, stabilizing the exterior, and supporting the body's normal Qi and kidney Qi. After your onion and garlic has turned golden brown, add the celery, beans, thyme, and chicken broth. Then, long, slow cooking is considered a key component in bringing out the healthful properties of food, and is especially good for older people or younger people with chronic disease, helping them to absorb key nutrients. Stir these ingredients well and move the kidney beans to the side of the pan and break them open. And an interesting note, kidney beans are called kidney beans because they're shaped like a kidney, tonifying kidney Qi. And cook this for 15 minutes covered. Once the bean mixture is cooked and browned, you are going to take a large stock pot with the cooked barley, add the bean mixture, the leeks, peas, and pepper. Add a little more chicken stock to make it more of a soup consistency, and then let it simmer for 15 minutes in the stock pot. Once your flu season soup is done simmering, it's ready to serve to anyone with the flu or who wants to remain healthy this flu season. Season with salt to taste and top with arugula. And you may know arugula as a pungent green from the mustard family, but actually mustard has cooling and neutral properties that stimulate appetite, and in China it is known as zermao sai. In Australia they call it rocket leaf, and in Rome it's considered an aphrodisiac. So depending on who you're serving your flu season soup to, you might want to add extra. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your flu season soup and stay healthy during this year's cold and flu season.